On this Lyft driver app tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find a bathroom any single time you're driving. I know, a bit of a weird tutorial, but this is very important. If you go to your Lyft driver app and you click that weird kind of like odd square section in the bottom left-hand corner right there, it's going to pull up a bunch of different things in terms of wait times, ride demand, etc. And if I go down to the bottom at refuel and refresh, I can see bathrooms near you. Once you do, all of these are going to pop up. You can zoom out more, you can zoom in if you want. Now, the green dots you're seeing are actual locations like grocery stores, for example. The white ones are public toilets or public bathrooms. And what's kind of cool about this is way more in-depth than you might think, I'm not going to lie. Because if I, let's say, pull up the bottom, you can see here, I've, ones near me. I have like Bristol Farms, for example, the Westchester Pool, other ones. And it will show you if they're open or closed, does depend. But let's say I click, let's say Bristol Farms, for example, so a public grocery store. Once I do, which is kind of funny, I can see restroom ratings. So far at the time of this video, this has only been rated by one driver. I can see when it's open and when it's closed. And also you can see these different things. Is it easy parking? Is it clean? And is it well lit? Kind of funny that you can actually see like in-depth like specifics when it comes to the restroom ratings. And then in addition to, let's say go to a public toilet just to see, you can see this one, the Westchester Recreation Center, rated by 4 drivers, easy parking, not that clean. I mean, it is a public toilet, so yep. And then apparently it's very well lit too. So very in-depth ratings and statistics about the bathrooms. Now I know, a very interesting and random and maybe even a odd tutorial compared to my typical videos, but I didn't want to post this. I do think when it comes to driving, that is one of the trickiest things sometimes, especially in the heart of a city when you're, like, say, putting in those hours being a Lyft driver, trying to find a bathroom. And I have done videos on this channel already about, like, say, different techniques. One I suggest, which is a big one, is bathroom addresses. So what I do on my phone is actually have a notes app, and I have different addresses saved in terms of, in my opinion, my favorite bathrooms. Another thing, second pro tip, and I've mentioned this in a lot of videos, is kind of my tier rankings of the best bathrooms when it comes to driving. I think gas stations are probably still my number one because you you always have parking because you need to get gas. You can get gas too, kind of kill 2 birds with 1 stone. And then most gas stations do have bathrooms, but other places, like I think department stores like Target and Walmart, grocery stores, of course, almost always have parking lots like Stop and Shop in Boston or like say Ralph's here in LA. But what's good about this kind of feature on the app, I'm kind of glad they did this because I feel like at first you're like, wait a minute, a bathroom feature on the Lyft driver app and you can rate the bathroom, kind of weird. But if you think about it, everyone needs to go and you got to go when you got to go. And this is a very easy way. Like say if you're in the heart of a city or like you're in a different area and you're like, shoot, I don't know where to go. Do I just Google a Starbucks or maybe a grocery store near me? You pull this up, you can see all the ratings. You can see if it's a good or bad bathroom to go to and you're all set.